How to use SMTP server from Google to send email. One way makes things easy is it reliably sends your emails via our servers. With a few simple clicks, your form notifications emails will always be delivered. Google SMTP server is a free service that will enable you to send emails from your website, web app or domain. SMTP means Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, and it allows you to send emails between servers. Most emails are sent from the server. In fact, if you use Gmail or any Google app, you are using the server. However, while you probably send plenty of emails through Gmail, this article will show you how to send them from a custom domain, a WordPress site or a PHP server. Explaining SMTP server. SMTP server has many benefits. While most hosts provide SMTP support, this might not always be the case. You can send emails from your hosting account, yet there may be some delay in delivery. Emails sent from Google servers are also less likely to be sent to the spam options. You can have a safe and easy way to search and backup your emails. You can have more than one accounts and manage them all at the same place. It's also easy to send emails from your website or web app. Some services like ebook download forms, certain LinkedIn services and newsletters require users to have an email address which is not Yahoo or Gmail, but a custom one which allows you to access these services. You need to use these settings to set up your Google SMTP server. Outgoing mail server smtp.gmail.com. Use authentication yes. Use secure connection yes. Username enter your Gmail address at gmail.com. Use Gmail password you normally use. Port 465 or 587. Google will recommend using the app password for this account to make sure it works. Sending emails from your domain. To send emails from your domain, you need to own that domain. All you need to do is to log into your account and look for the email settings. It's usually called email forwarding, but it might be a bit different on different platforms. When you do this, set up email forwarder which can send emails from your custom domain to your Gmail. Change from user@example.com to @gmail.com. You will then receive all emails to your email account. Next thing you need to do is to set up Gmail to send emails using the domain. You need to create an email within your Gmail and it will be sent from your email address. Go to Gmail settings page and click a little gear icon to select the settings. Navigate to accounts and the import tab. Inside, find the add another email option. Once you click on it, a pop-up will appear on your screen and you'll be able to insert the details of your email address. The next page will let you configure your SMTP server details. All you have to do is add the details we mentioned at the beginning. Once you enter the alternative email address, Google will send you an email confirmation and a code which you have to click or enter the code manually. You can also make other adjustments like copying your outgoing emails inside your sent folder, and for that, you will need to enable IMAP Internet Message Access Protocol. You can use this protocol to get messages from an email server. On the settings page find the forwarding and pop IMAP tab. Choose to enable the IMAP option and save these options. You should also know that Google SMTP automatically changes your from line and this can create many different problems. So, change this into something that suits you. Go to Accounts and Import tab. Find the Send Mail as an option and mark the custom email address you want to use as a default. Thanks for watching.